You know, sometimes you just need a little side salad to serve up alongside of whatever main entree you cooked for dinner. The key to a side salad is to keep it simple, because sometimes you just need to get dinner on the table quickly. So let me share with you 2 simple side salads that I make very frequently here, and the best part is they only take 3 minutes to whip up. So let me show you how. I start off with a little bit of romaine lettuce, and a little red leaf lettuce, or maybe some spring mix, whatever I have on hand. And then to that, I'm going to add some feta cheese, some spring onion, season it with a pinch of salt, plenty of fresh cracked black pepper. Then I slice a nice wedge off of a lemon, and I just squeeze that in. Then just a touch of olive oil, and we just mix that up. And I just serve this up here as is, super simple. And I just put a little lemon or orange wedge here in case they want a little bit more acidity. Okay, second salad, iceberg lettuce this time. You know, for that like sweet crunch that it gives. Then some fresh spinach leaves for that nutrition. And then 1 carrot for depth of flavor. And I'll show you how to do a quick peel. A peeler has 2 blades, so you can both pull and push. Just like that. Then I'm just gonna grate this into my bowl here. Simple enough. Okay, then similar to the last one, we're gonna go in with some feta cheese, some fresh black pepper, and again, that wedge of lemon juice. Oh yeah, also that splash of olive oil. See how easy that is? Keeping it simple, that's the key. Now, of course, you could raid your pantry and add in some nuts, some seeds, maybe some fresh fruit, definitely some fresh herbs, maybe even some homemade croutons if you're into that. You can add whatever you like to this. In fact, let me know in the comments below what you would add to this to make it even better. Either way, just go make something super simple and delicious for someone you love.